When a severe flash flood happened in downtown Miami, this man, along with several others, was trapped inside a Gold's Gym. But what they did will shock you. Realizing the situation was desperate, they tried calling for help, but emergency responders weren't available, so they climbed to the top of the Stairmaster just to stay above the water. However, with all this flooding combined with the electrical gym equipment, the situation was extremely dangerous. Thankfully, they did at least have some leftover rations to chew on, but with all hope seeming lost, he did the only reasonable thing. He grabbed his phone and recorded a TikTok video.